Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making something very simple, doesn't take any time to make it, and it's so good. It's called a Strawberry Fluff Salad. Now I'm using a 3.4 ounce box of vanilla pudding, and I'm taking a 20 ounce can of pineapple, and I'm not draining it. I want the juice in it. There. Then I am going to incorporate my pudding right in here. My pudding mix in with my pineapple. This is something you can make for holidays, neighbor that you know that isn't feeling well, something nice to make and send over to them. It's just a real quick, nice dish. Take it to the church functioning. We've got a lot of parties going on. Take it to something. Make it for yourself because it's good. Okay, then I am going to add in my, get rid of my mixer. I don't know if I'm even going to use it. So far I'm doing okay without it. I'm going to add in whipped cream, Cool Whip. You can make your own whipped cream if you like. I do sometimes. I use a lot of whipped cream. I usually use a lot of it that's already made. It's good, and my mama used it and my grandma used it, so I guess I can use it. Okay, let's incorporate all of that in there. Then I am going to use my strawberries. You'll take one frozen container of strawberries. Now for some reason, these just don't look very strawberry red to me. And I don't think my fluff is going to be red because my strawberries don't look red. But that's okay. It'll set up and we'll love it. I guess you could put some food coloring in it if you're making it for a holiday. But I'm to the point I need some easy, good, quick recipes. And this is one of them. And then you want some marshmallows. Now that depends on you, how many you want to put in it. I'm going to probably put about a cupful maybe. And that is really all you do. You'll use one 3.4 ounce box of pudding, one 20 ounce can of crushed pineapple, one 8 ounce bowl of whipped cream, your frozen strawberries thawed of course, and mix in some marshmallows in with it, and then you'll just set it in the refrigerator and let it set up. It takes about an hour maybe to set up, and then it's ready to be served. And I use crushed pineapple. Okay, there's my fruit salad. How long did it take me? 5 minutes to make it, but it will set up and it'll be delicious. Pineapple strawberry fluff salad. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up, and then I'll be back. I am back, and if this isn't one of the fastest salads I've ever made, I don't know what is. I said strawberry fluff. It's pineapple strawberry fluff, and it is scrumptious. It's so pretty too. Now, if you would like, I don't know if I'd use fresh strawberries in it. I probably would if I could get some good ones, but it calls for the frozen ones. And I guess that's because you can get those anytime. I don't know. But it is so, so yummy. It takes 10 minutes to make it the most. And then you have to put it in the refrigerator to set up. You're going to be setting your table or cooking another dish or something. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. And everybody will love it. So simple to make. I am so glad I finally got out some old recipes that are easy and fast that I can share. Because I think today we need some of those. Because everybody's so busy. Oh, that's good. Well, that's it. That's my strawberry pineapple salad. And now, you could probably pineapple and banana. You could even put mandarin oranges in it instead of strawberries. But it is really good. So please try it. And make a double batch. Take one to your neighbor or to someone at church. If you know someone that's sick, take them some of this. It'll be good for them. It'll set easy on their stomach too. And it'll make you feel good too by giving it to a friend or someone. And I just want to thank everyone for always being there and watching our videos. I hope we're bringing some videos to you that you like and that your family enjoys. And that's why I'm trying to get some easy ones right now. But we just appreciate y'all so much. And we just love you so much. But try this. I'm going to have the recipe posted down below. And if you have any questions, let me know. Try it. You'll love it. And I thank you bunches for being with us.